Caged birds for sale. A Bradford mill yard of a winter's night, worn steps and then a sliding door, a loom shed part filled with yellow light, and traders, first a shuffle, then a score, drifting in to risk uncertain wages. Above the drone of whispered words, shy captives call from little cages, tired working men and singing birds in from the four corners, waiting here upon the flippance of an auctioneer. Bright shadows to have lived so long, these tiny heralds of the shining way, piping scraps of half-forgotten song, pecking sawdust from a plastic tray. Their keepers barely seem to speak, who, labour after labour, come what may, flush now perhaps and poor within a week. Unwilling prisoners of the empty day, fast in the net that wealth itself creates out of convention and the tyranny of states.